Hi, my name's Andy from Cobra Garden Machinery, and today I'd like to talk to you about the RM46SPCE, which is an 18-inch self-propelled rear roller with the function of key start. The machine is powered by a Cobra 135 overhead valve DG450 engine. The machine has a quality steel deck which is powder coated to give the optimum paint finish and will give you many years of service. I will now show you how to actually start the engine. The first thing you need to do is bring the OPC lever towards you, make sure the machine is in the choke position and then turn the key. The RM46SPCE has a full width roller which enables you to cut right to the edge of the lawn and also gives you the traditional British stripe on your lawn. The machine is equipped with a single lever height of cut adjustment which features a pistol grip handle. It cuts from 75mm at the highest point of cut to 17mm at the lowest point of cut, and you can see it's a very simple and easy feature to use. I'd now just like to summarise. The RM46SPCE is an 18-inch rear roller machine, self-propelled with electric start. The person buying this machine is the person that's looking for a nice striped finish on the lawn.